So today we're gonna dive into the world of eBay dropshipping, and I'm gonna share with you 7 mistakes that I made when I first started. And if you're looking to get into dropshipping, learning from other people's experiences, mistakes, can save you a lot of time, money, and frustration. That if you want to be part of this amazing YouTube community, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel, because we have so much stuff, like exciting content coming your way, and we would love to have you on board. Okay, so let's get into these 7 mistakes. First mistake is not researching the market thoroughly. So when I first started dropshipping on eBay, I was so excited to list products and make sales that I neglected proper market research. Like, I didn't take time to analyze competition, product demand, or pricing trends. And as a result, I ended up selling items that had low demand and high competition, which led to slow sales and minimum profits. It was very frustrating. So the lesson here is to invest time in research a market, researching market, and understand what products are in high demand and identify profitable niches, and keep an eye on your competition. Like, this will help you make informed decisions and choose the right products to sell. So mistake number 2 was overlooking shipping and handling times. As a dropshipper, your reputation is crucial, and one of my early mistakes was not paying enough attention to the shipping and handling times of my suppliers. So I listed items with long delivery periods, which led to unhappy customers and negative feedback, which was not good for my store. And in the world of eBay, negative feedback can severely impact your sales. The lesson here is always to communicate with your suppliers about shipping times and ensure that they can meet your customers' expectations. It's better to choose reliable suppliers who offer fast shipping options to keep your customers satisfied and maintaining a good reputation than maybe looking for higher profits margin and having unhappy customers. Mistake number 3 was ignoring eBay's policies and guidelines. eBay has specific rules and policies that sellers need to follow. Unfortunately, I made the mistake of not going through everything, to not learning everything about their policies myself and their guidelines, which led to my listings being taken down and even a temporary suspension of my account. Take time to read eBay's policies and guidelines carefully. Also, understand that the rules on prohibited items, listing practice, and account management. Following these policies will help you avoid unnecessary headaches and maintain a successful eBay dropshipping business. Trust me on that one. So mistake number 4 was neglecting customer service. We briefly talked about this a bit before, but in the whole hustle and bustle of managing listings, orders, suppliers, I made the mistake of not giving enough attention to my customers. I didn't respond to inquiries properly. I didn't handle returns efficiently in time, and I didn't provide exceptional support. So that was my bad. And mistake number 5 is quite obvious, but in the beginning, I thought I could maybe go around the system and I wouldn't be caught, especially because the profit margins were high and I was kind of greedy. So mistake number 5 is to not check VeRo items. I mean, if you're reselling VeRo items, then this is a negative sign, and any brand owner can complain to eBay, and sometimes they can go directly to court, and then you have, then you know the challenges when you go to court. So Zik is your friend when it comes down to VeRo items, because you can actually filter them out with a simple click. Mistake number 6 was always make sure that your supplier will not go OOS, out of stock, for the product that you listed on eBay. Because suppose you did a good research and then you listed an item to your store, and after it's a whole hustle, the order comes in, and then you go to your supplier website to fulfill the order, and then the item is OOS. So the only mistake that you made was that you didn't check the product stock before listings. So you don't have an option other than just waiting for this product to come back. And sometimes you do have to cancel orders, which initiates a negative customer experience and also affects your store health. And to fix this, you can use a repricer tool, which lets you know when the supplier is out of stock. And if you're using Amazon as your supplier, then you can use Keepa tool to make the product never go out of stock. All right. And mistake number 7 was, look, just make sure that when you're drop shipping from retailers, then prices don't change. Otherwise, you'll have to ship your order in loss. And again, Keepa tool will help you check past price fluctuations, and also repricer tools will do the same. That was something I learned because it was a really bad feeling to sell a product and ship the product and everything, knowing that I would lose money. But anyway, I did it because I didn't want to get negative feedback. By avoiding these common mistakes, you can save time, money, and frustration in your eBay dropshipping journey. Just remember that learning from failure is an important part of growth. So keep moving forward, and see you next time.